Alright, today's video is basically we got to get the rear tail section fixed, the bumper. When we tapped the wall at East Bay, it hit just the Nerf bar for the fuel cell. Luckily it didn't actually hit the fuel cell, but with the stainless it actually cracked it off of the mount here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to cut the middle section off, cut the ends off, and splice a new piece in and tack everything into place, put it in the car, mock it, and once that's all good and done, we'll fully weld it. And I think I'm going to add 2 bottom braces to it to kind of hold it structurally from the bottom so it won't bend in as easy. Not saying it won't with the wall again, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that and get this fixed. Right, got the Nerf all painting now. Further inspection of the car, we noticed a couple places of damage. The fuel tank mounts, the upper mounts were cracked at the bottom. It doesn't look like it was from the accident, but we went ahead and just go ahead and welded those back in. And then this one may have been from the accident, but we went ahead and took care of it anyway. Let me see if I show. It cracked away on the torsion bar tube from the middle one. We went ahead and just cleaned it up and welded it back into place. Now we're just going to clean everything else up, paint it so it don't rust or anything like that, and put the tank back in the bars. Got everything back in it, the tank's back in it, all the mounts are fixed, the torsion tubes all welded up. Rear bumper is back in, straightened out. A lot better than it was at the track, but centerpiece that was bare steel, we just painted it black so it don't rust. Regardless, it'll need in the future a whole new rear section. Regardless, in the future it's going to need a whole new chassis. So we're just holding it together. The chassis works fine though. It's got its problems, but other than that, though, it works fine. I bought a new HBS Jacob's ladder for the car, but without re-engineering the car, it won't work. It's the same exact length and diameter, but it won't work with the bird cages and the axle configuration. So we'll save that for another car in the future, possibly, or as a backup, or vice versa. We'll use it for something. Other than that, though, I think we're done for today. Next race will be winged at East Bay, so hopefully everything stays together and get some winged footage. Putting the wings on next. Alright guys, thanks for watching.